Hey guys, how you doing? This is Patrick Robertson back here at Momentous Building, and today we got a little storm door installation. I want to share with you guys the whole process. We're going to do a little time lapse of the whole installation and kind of also share how we get the job done, our review of the Anderson 10 series storm door, as it is our favorite door. So hope you guys enjoy this one. Follow us along on the journey. If you find any value, please give us a like, share, and subscribe. Share it with somebody that's thinking about installing a storm door, because you know, we've seen so many that just fall apart after a year or two and they're always crappy, but this one right here, we've put in about 3 or 4 of these and they're really great. So let's share with you on that one. Right now we've got the a storm door that's currently installed, and storm doors are great to protect from the weather, to protect your actual front door from any you know, rain and these different things, snow, sleet, all those different elements, because what the storm door does is keep the most of the water off the door, prevents rot, prevents decay, keeps your door paint nice and intact, and these different things. It also allows for, in the summertime, to leave the front door open, have that light coming in the fall and the spring, and in the summer they have interchangeable screen panels, and you can have that fresh air coming right in and no bugs. So they're a great addition to homes. They're not always needed or highly recommended, especially if you have a front porch, but they are a great addition to allow you to let the outside in while keeping the elements outside. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video as we cruise through this, take off this old one that's installed, and go from there. So one thing I want to talk about, right now we have a storm door installed. This one's a few years old. It is an Anderson door, but it's a lower model door where the closer is actually on the outside, closes on the top. It's less quality. Now these doors behind me are about $150 to $200 cheaper than the top of the line 10 series that we're going to throw in. But when you're putting in a door that's supposed to last 10-15 years, it's worth the money every single time. And quite frankly, we've installed both. These 10 series Andersons going really quickly, really nice clean fit, and they're awesome to work with. So from the contractor's perspective, they're awesome, and from the homeowner's perspective, you're going to get a lot more in your value. You're going to get a lot more enjoyment and a better product overall. So we're going to go take off this door right now and show you how we get it done. All right, so it looks like our camera ran out in the middle of installation, but it was successful, and I want to show you what we got going on right now. It took us about an hour and a half. We ripped right through it. Our team leader, David, that's our head carpenter. He's an amazing guy, and when we get together and start working, me and him really tear through things. So we got this beautiful new storm door installed. We have the glass panel in because it is the winter, and this is the Anderson 10 series, just so you guys know. Cool thing about this, amazing hardware, really feels good, nice and tight, good close, and as you can see, comes out really nice. Cool thing about this door is that there are no closers that you can see. It's all concealed to the top, and it really saves about 30 minutes on the installation, playing with it and all these different things, because what happens is that typically we have to adjust it for 10 minutes and do all these games that is just not fun to do during the installation and takes up time. And then also as a homeowner, you don't have to worry about kicking any of that stuff, any of those things. And the glass panel goes in nice and easily for a great product, and certainly a joy to install, and I'm sure for the homeowners it's wonderful. We've installed some that are 2-3 years old. We haven't heard any issues, work perfectly fine. We've had issues with other doors that we have had installed where, oh, it needs to be tuned up, this or that. This one, we don't get any of those problems. So, you know, these are some of the little projects we like to do for homeowners to make sure we're servicing them. You know, we don't always have to do the big additions, you know, new constructions, bathroom models, kitchens with big projects. We do these small storm doors, and, you know, I like to get involved too on these projects too, to, you know, make sure I can still swing the hammer and do all these fun things as the owner of the company. But honestly, I enjoy this stuff. This is a blast. So guys, if you really like this one, thank you for sticking along with this whole journey. We appreciate you, and we're looking forward to catching you on the next one.